To set a pending order for Gold MCX in the Tradekaro app, follow these steps. Go to the watch list in the Tradekaro app and click on the Gold MCX script. Once you click, an option list will open where you need to select the trade option. After selecting the trade option, the trade window will open. At the top of the trade window, you will see two options, market and pending. Select the pending option. After selecting the pending option, go to the amount section and type the number of lots you want to set for the pending order. Below that, you will see two options, buy limit and sell limit. If you want to set a buy limit, select this option and enter the rate at which you want to set the order in the Add Price section. Once all the details are filled, click on the Place button. Your buy limit pending order will be successfully placed. This pending order will now be visible in the Deals section under the Orders section. To modify or cancel a pending order. If you want to modify or cancel an already placed pending order, go to the Deals section and click on the specific order. You will see two options, modify and cancel. Click on modify to update the order details like price or lots. Click on cancel to delete the order. This process in the Tradekaro app is very helpful for effectively managing your pending orders.